So I don't even know how many years ago, at least 7, 8 years ago, I was in a really bad state. I wasn't sleeping. I hadn't slept well for, I want to say 4 or 5 months, which then spiraled into some major depression and was kind of at my rope's end. I didn't know where to go, what to do, and my husband and I prayed about it, and just kind of got on online and said, hey, what can I do for sleep deprivation and depression? And I called you and Dave, and from there came in, and I was a mess. I remember you guys just held my hand, took me through it. My husband was there so that I could understand, because even though you were putting it in very simplistic terms about how it would help, I was not in a good state to even understand what you were saying. And so I went through I don't know what you guys call it at this point, but where you went through 7 or 10 sessions. I went through the basic, and then I left and went to my brother's house for a little while, and for about a week to visit, and started to slowly notice a difference as far as the sleeping. It took 3-4 weeks. But I started to slowly feel like I was sleeping better and doing better, and then had follow-up sessions, and it just gradually definitely evened out and felt better. And as the sleep improved, the depression decreased. My progesterone level was extremely low. My serotonin level was extremely low. And I was taking supplements for progesterone, and it was helping, but it just was not, like, I had tried counseling, I had tried whatever doctors said to do, and this was kind of like that stepping stone of getting me started as far as, okay, yes, there is hope, light at the end of the tunnel. I know that things are right. I mean, I'm back to work. I'm mom of 2 that are in college. So life is good. My mom passed away when I was 13 of suicide due to depression. And so I've always been a strong advocate of being able to tell people, hey, there's always hope. And when I went through that really bad spell, it was kind of like, boy, God, how do I tell people there's hope when I don't feel there's hope? From that, I really realized, okay, I need to get out there and encourage women with fear, worry, doubt, insecurity, depression, anything that we all deal with, but we don't want to talk about, because being vulnerable is really scary. We feel like we're going to be judged. We feel like, shameful. What if people find out I've struggled with depression? So we keep it all inside. And I said, no, Lord, you saw me through this, and again, I'm not saying I'm depression free, but the key is that this is manageable, and I can go out and share with people that, you can go out there and do what God wants you to do, and just be a voice for Him, which so often we put our confidence in either other people, or we put our confidence in our jobs, or we put our confidence in everything but God, and that never goes well. And they just shared their hearts, how they've learned that their confidence has to come from God, and then they can give. If you can't really give your life and give your heart away when you're empty, and God's that thing that fills your heart, so that you can give and feel genuine about giving, because you just want other people to feel His love. I am living better now than I did before this, and before I was even having sleep deprivation, because I know there's always that, okay, I know what I need to do. I need to get back in here, and I need to do a tune-up and let my brain rebalance. So it's been awesome.
Thank you.
You bet.
That's
Thank you.
fantastic.